Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today we have two robot vacuum cleaners that will make your cleaning routine a breeze. In this video, we'll be comparing the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in different categories. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is priced at $249, while the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner comes in at $199. Both are competitively priced, but if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the ROPVACNIC might be the one for you. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max boasts incredible suction power for deep cleaning and features BoostIQ technology that automatically increases suction when needed. It also operates quietly for up to 100 minutes on hardwood floors. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner offers a 3000 pascal cyclone cleaning system, which increases cleaning efficiency by 30%. It can effectively vacuum dust, pet hair, and debris on different surfaces. Both models offer impressive performance, but the ROPVACNIC's enhanced suction power gives it an edge in this category. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max is equipped with an anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensors for obstacle avoidance, and drop sensing technology to prevent falls. It also automatically recharges, ensuring it's always ready to clean. The ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner measures at a mere 2.99 inches in height, allowing it to access and clean hard-to-reach places. It also has a no-entanglement design, making it perfect for pet owners. Additionally, it offers 6 cleaning modes, including spot cleaning and scheduled cleaning. When it comes to features, both models have their strengths, but the ROPVACNIC's compact design and pet-friendly features give it an advantage. User-friendliness is an essential factor to consider. The eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max comes with a remote control for easy operation and a worry-free 12-month warranty. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner includes a hassle-free remote control, making it convenient for anyone to use. The absence of the need for a mobile phone or internet connection is a plus for those who prefer a simpler approach. In terms of user-friendliness, both models provide convenient options. Based on online reviews, here's an overall assessment. And that wraps up our comparison between the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max and the ROPVACNIC Robot Vacuum Cleaner. While both models have their strengths, it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with enhanced suction power, the ROPVACNIC might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you prioritize features like anti-scratch protection and automatic recharging, the eufy BoostIQ RoboVac 11S Max could be the better fit. Remember to weigh the pros and cons before making your decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more smart buying tips. See you next time on Buy Smart.